start with the name of Allah, the Almighty and the Most Merciful. The sweetest time of day is when you pray, because you are talking to the one who loves you the most. The real hero is one who knows how to rise when he falls down. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Don't be afraid of opposition. Remember, a kite rises against the wind. Sometimes problems are not too big, we are too small because we can't handle them. Silence and smile are two powerful tools. Smile is the way to solve many problems, and silence is the way to avoid many problems. Race can't won by accelerating in top gear, but it can be won by changing the gear at right time. Timely decisions in life can help to win the race of life. Every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending. Accept the pain and get ready to success. Life is so strange. If we are happy, people get jealous, and if we are sad, they question us. You will learn nothing from life if you think you are right all the time. Remember, being happy doesn't mean you have it all. It simply means you are thankful for all you have. Trust is like a glass. Once broken, it will never be the same again.